What you say? Tuscan-style chicken in a slow cooker? Absolutely! Here I've got 4 boneless chicken thighs. I'll drizzle on some olive oil, sprinkle on some smoked paprika, dried basil, dried oregano and some dried thyme. Now turn them over and do the same on the other side. Heat a pan, no oil, and sear the chicken. Just 2 minutes each side. Remove from the heat and pop in the slow cooker. Now add a chopped onion, 250 ml of chicken stock, 50 ml of white wine, 4 garlic cloves which have been crushed, and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Season with salt and pepper, then give it all a good stir. And finally add in about half a dozen sun-dried tomatoes. Now pop on the lid and cook on low for 4 to 5 hours or high for 2 to 3 hours. At the end of the cooking time, add 2 tablespoons of cream, give it a stir, and you're ready to serve. Serve with pasta of your choice and some delicious crusty bread to soak up those juices. So what makes this Tuscan style? Well, maybe it's the herbs or the sun-dried tomatoes or the olive oil. It doesn't really matter, it's bloody delicious. However, I do think we can all agree what a slow cooker is. Join me next time. Until then, bye. Who